Hi everyone, I'm going to teach us the basic sewing tools you need as a beginner. 15 points. Number one, you need your sewing machine. You can see my sewing machine here. Without sewing machine, what do you want to learn from? What do you want to sew with? You need your sewing machine. That's number one. And this is my sewing machine. Number two, we need needle. Needle has different types. We have hand needles, machine needle. You need your hand needle, you need your machine needle. Different types of needle. We need building needle. You don't need the building needle for now. I'm just telling you the type of needle that you have. Point number three, you need your scissors. And I advise you that your scissors, you can have two scissors as a starter, the one for clothes and the one for paper, your pattern paper. So I have different types of scissors. This is my point number three that you can make use of. We have different types of scissors. We have pattern scissors. We have dressmaking scissors. We have zigzag scissors, which you don't need for now. But I'm just showing you the different types of scissors we have. Point number four, you need your pattern paper. You can see my pattern paper has two colors. I have the white pattern paper, then I have the black, the brown pattern paper. Point number five, you need your sewing machine thread. Sewing machine thread has different types, but for beginner I would recommend this type of sewing for us. Different types of sewing thread. Also, you need a note to start with. So you can buy hardcover. I recommend hardcover for you. Your pencil goes with your hardcover. That's point number six. Point number seven. You need your calico. Your calico to cut. If you can't use pattern paper to start with, some people start with calico. You cannot take chiffon or organza or the slippery material to start to learn